Right now, even plain dal feels like a feast. The old man gave a small smile and lifted the shutter halfway again. Come inside. Arohi stepped into that tiny dhaba. It was simple, but something about it felt deeply peaceful. No flashy decor, no loud music, no polished furniture. Only the fragrance of roasted cumin, fresh coriander, warm ghee, and homemade food. The old man washed a steel plate, reheated the dal on a small flame, warmed two rotis, cut some onion and green chili, and placed everything before her. Then he filled a steel glass with cool water from the matka. Drink slowly, he said. Arohi picked up the glass and drank. It felt like life returning. She ate the first bite of dal and roti and then she stopped. Her eyes widened. This was not ordinary food. It was unbelievably delicious. Dal had the taste of home. The roti was soft and smoky. The pickle was sharp and perfect. There was honesty in that food, care in every bite, experience in every flavor. She looked up in surprise. Uncle, this is amazing. The old man smiled shyly. Simple food, Betty, but just made with clean ingredients. No, really, she said, taking another bite. This is better than many expensive restaurants. The old man did not react proudly. Instead, his smile faded. He looked away. Arohi noticed. After finishing the meal, she wiped her hands, looked out her wallet, and asked how much. The old man shook his head lightly. Just give whatever you feel right. She inspired. No, please tell me. He named a very small amount. Arohi was shocked. This is too little. But before she could say more, she noticed something unusual. The man had already started packing utensils into boxes. A sack of onion laid tied in one corner. Some jars were being emptied. A small calendar was being taken down from the wall. It didn't look like someone closing for the night. It looked like someone leaving forever. She frowned. Uncle, are you shifting somewhere? He became quiet. After a few seconds, he cited. No, Betty, I'm closing this dhaba. Arohi looked stunned. Closing? Why? He sat down slowly on the bench opposite her. For the first time, his eyes looked tired. This dhaba has been running for almost 35 years, he said softly. Earlier, trucks stopped here, families stopped here, drivers knew this place. People used to say, if you are hungry on this road, go to Babaji's dhaba. He smiled, fainted at the memory. But now no one stops. He pointed towards the highway. People rush. They look for big boards, bright lights, online review, map, reel, rating, photos, apps. My food is still the same. My honesty is still the same. But this world has changed. He looked down at his hand. And I did not change with it. Arohi listened silently. He continued. Some days I cook and no one comes. Some days only one or two customers. I cannot waste money every day. I'm old now. I don't understand phones, social media, online listening, all these things. And my son works in another city. He says, Bauji, close this and come with me. His voice trembled a little. But this dhaba is not just a shop. It is my life, my youth, my memories. My wife used to help me here. My children grew up here. Every corner of this place has a story. Arohi felt something move inside her heart. The old man smiled sadly and said, Today I had decided. This is the last day. Arohi looked around again. That faded board, that homemade dal, that dignity, that effort, that purity. And suddenly something inside her refused to accept that this place should disappear. She leaned forward. Uncle, can I ask you something honestly? He nodded. Do you want to close this dhaba because your food is not good? He looked up at once. No. Do you want to close it because you have lost your passion? He shook his head. No. Then why should it die? He stared at her confused. See, she smiled. Uncle, your problem is not food. Your problem is visibility. He blinked. What? Arohi laughed softly. You don't need to improve your cooking. You need people to find you. He looked puzzled. She took out her phone. Uncle, I work with businesses, restaurants, cafes, local brands. I help them reach customers. I know how this works.